Hi all, how you doing? Just another commute video. Not sure whether this one will make it or not, because since my taxi incident at the start of the week, I've been taking the camera every day and nothing's been happening. They must know that there's a camera on them, so they're behaving themselves. So it's another cracking morning, nice and warm this morning, and it's also the first day of the Royal Highland Show, so I'm expecting the traffic on this road to be a little bit more heavier than normal, because everybody will be trying to avoid the A89 at Ingliston, at the showground where the Highland Show takes place. So that's on for 4 days, so it's going to be a bit of a nightmare. Hopefully I won't be affected too much with it, unless I get sent out there to attend a vehicle. Hopefully not. So yeah, wait and see what the day brings. He's moved over. Happy days, thank you very much, sir. BMW's moved over. Thank you, sir. Well, so far they've all been playing nice. Here's hoping it continues. But yeah, it is definitely busier here today. It's quite busy coming in the opposite direction as well. So yeah, they're definitely trying to avoid Ingliston, that's for sure. And probably the M8 as well, because that's an absolute riot at times. Let's just get round these guys. Don't do queues. Look at the speed of this. No wonder it's all tail back. Right, come on. Honestly, they're as slow as a week in the jail at pulling away for a traffic light. Fair dues the truck in front, like, but these retards starting to put the foot down now, though. Right, let's get up to the front-ish. So I'm not going to get to the front, but I'm going to get to the front-ish. That's good, he's turned off. Brilliant. Take your shitty fucking trannies with you. Right, green flag, come on. Get a bit of a fucking move on, eh? And there we go. That's why I brought the bike in. Have a look at this. Now this is all because of the Royal Highland Show. I didn't expect it to be quite as bad as this, right enough, but there we have it. Let this truck pass before I start my overtake. And it's all trucks as well. See, these guys are all trying to avoid the M8 and A89. This is unreal. To be fair, I've never seen it as busy as this, unless there is something else happening on the M8, which certainly wouldn't surprise me, or the 89. But I do know that looking at the plans yesterday for the road configuration for the entry into the Highland Show, they seem to have changed it this year, so that's maybe what's causing all the congestion here. Look at this, man. Busy as fuck. Imagine if I'd brought the car, I'd be pulling my hair out by now. What are you braking for? Just take your foot off the gas, your bell end. And it's queued up to hell here as well. Fuck's sake, man. I won't be able to pass here anyway because there's a crossroads. And this is a bastard of a junction. Morning. Well, it's not a good junction at the best of times. Quite a few accidents here because the bell ends don't know how to use it. But I believe this is getting upgraded to traffic lights. So, more congestion. There's that car's pulling out. What's happening up here? Oh, they're just overtaking a cyclist, no doubt. Yeah, there's a footpath there. And a shared cycle path, may I add. Now, let's see what the truck does. There we go. Aye, I thought so. He was probably the cause of all that congestion. Because we're back up to speed now. You're going to move over a wee bit, or are you just going to sit on this line? No, you're going to go right up the arse of the truck, aren't you? Right, it'll be interesting to see how busy this city bypass is, because that does tend to get busy when there's events on. There we go, at the front. Now we seem to be making quite good progress. Town is obviously busier than it normally would be, but we're doing well so far. Here's hoping that it continues, because I'm choking on a coffee, and I like a wee coffee before I start work. I think we will avoid Gorgie again today, because roadworks are still there, I believe, and I don't fancy getting stuck in them. Yeah, they are. There's all your signage for it there. busy, busy. The Royal Snail. Swear to God, they're getting slower at delivering letters and parcels. I waited nearly 10 days. Well, 8 days for a parcel to be delivered. Unbelievable. I'm going to do a sneaky here. I didn't have to do that much sneaky because nobody was in a hurry to pull away there. Edinburgh. This is one city that I certainly could not live in. I've lived in it in the past, but there's no danger I'll live in it again if I can help it. And it's an absolute toilet. There's just too many people. The roads are an absolute disgrace. You can't move because they've got roads and streets blocked off and narrowed down. You should see Leith, that's turning into an absolute clusterfuck. All because of the woke Edinburgh Council. But talking about all these woke councils and their active travel schemes, surely to God, one day that's going to have to come to a head and common sense will kick in. But by then, how many billions of pounds would have been wasted on this agenda when they could have improved our local services, you know, maybe trained more doctors, dentists, built more doctor surgeries, invested more in hospitals, building new hospitals, you know, all this sort of thing, housing. But no, they want to waste it on fucking woke green ideologies. Let's walk, wheel and cycle, it's better for the environment. Listen, the UK is a dot on the planet. If we went completely carbon neutral, it's going to make absolutely fuck all of a difference to the environment. And yet you get all these tree huggers and lefty loonies that swallow all that claptrap. Honestly. Petrol and diesel have never been as clean as what they are today. So why they try to ban it? It's unbelievable. And these electric vehicles, nah, they're more hassle than they're worth. Don't get me wrong, they've got their place. I completely agree that they've got their place. You know, if you're in the city and you're only doing short journeys and whizzing about the city, yeah, an electric car is absolutely super duper for that, you know. But if you like to, or you have to for your job, do a bit of travelling, well, I'm sorry, but an electric car's not going to cut it, is it? I mean, there was my my diesel car. I've got a 2017 Mini Cooper D. Right, it's a 1.5 3-cylinder diesel turbo. Now, I went down to Gainsborough and back, and I scooted about the doors. That car averaged 83 miles to the gallon. 83 miles to the gallon. Now, that's pretty good going. pretty good going when you're hybrid cars and that you've got now. Some of them you're lucky if they're getting 50 to the gallon, and that's hybrid. And I'm getting 83 with diesel. Unreal, eh? Unbelievable. I think I made a bit of a boob coming this way because all the traffic seems to be flowing that way. Oh come on, eh? This is getting beyond a joke. You wonder why people go through red lights, because the red lights have got you held needlessly for stupid amounts of time. Road closed again. What's it shut for? Sake, man. Because of this. All I need to do is suspend a couple of parking bays and you can go around it. That's because they've probably set the sets in with concrete. Those bastards. Oh, indicator. Talking about dozy bastards, and I'll leave the indicator on. Toastology. There you go, Toasty. There's your very own shop. Right, we'll go left this time, won't we? Because no idea where this fucking knob end's going. Where are you going? Oh, he is going left, but he's not got an indicator to tell you. And he was sitting on the right hand side of the lane. Fucking arsehole. Itchy nose. Oh, for fuck's sake. I've worked on that building. Done the chimneys. Many years ago. I was stripped and rebuilt them. The state of this road, eh? Absolute disgrace. Scotland's capital city. Right, do you need the whole road to wobble up the hill? We'll take a wee cheeky left here. I've worked on that building as well. Front and back.